Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems that your YouTube app is bugging and you want to be able to fix it? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your YouTube app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just open up your settings app, and as you can see we should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what you're going to do on this page is very simple. We're just going to scroll down in here, and then we're going to click on General. So click on General and then scroll down in here and click on Storage. And now just simply wait for this page right here to completely load everything, all the apps that you have. Now you can scroll down in here and find the YouTube app. Now in here it's very simple. You're just going to click on Upload App, and once again click on Upload App in here. And just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And just simply wait for the YouTube app now to completely update to its latest version. So by doing this, you're just going to force your YouTube app to completely update to its latest version. This shouldn't, by the way, log you out of your account. At least it didn't do so for me. Instead, what will happen is that you will automatically update your YouTube app to its basically the newest version that they have. And hopefully that will be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. This fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.